let's discuss about these parameters in details. So firstly, feature space. What is feature space? Feature space is a bivariate spectral space having the spectral plots, which is called feature space. And the spectral plots denote the features within satellite dataset. So here, these are the feature space, and these are the bivariate plots where each and every bands are used as the important variables in x and y axis. Like for this kind of space, here red band has been used in the x axis and the near infrared band has been used in the y axis, and as per the values of these two bands, these are the plots, these are the spectral plots. So this space is the feature space, and these plots are called the feature plots, and these plots are the representative of the image pixels, and from these image pixels we can clearly identify the objects from the satellite datasets, and it is a basic backbone of the image classification system. Now come for the spectral class and the information class. These are two very important things. The spectral values of group of pixels is called the spectral class. Like in this feature space, these are the feature plots, and if we consider such kind of values within this red circle, so these pixels will have some values, and these values can denote a specific feature over the earth surface. So these can be said as the spectral class, and this spectral class is determining the position of the agricultural land over here. So this is the information class, means this information class has been determined from this spectral class, and these spectral classes means these pixel values within this group of sorry these group of pixels having the specific spectral values which is determining the specific information class is called the spectral signature, and the decision about the spectral envelope is called the training site. Means this is the training site, this red circle is the training site, and the values within this training site is called the spectral signature, and this spectral signatures is determining the information class, and this information class has been determined from this spectral class. And it is very important that these signatures are specified on the basis of some value range, which is like that. For here, the agriculture, for determining this agricultural land within the red band, such value range is very important, and for this near infrared band such value range is very important. So this is the spectral signatures, and this spectral signature has been identified using this kind of the training set. So you can say that training site is the threshold, and here using this kind of the value range or the training site or the signatures, we have got this kind of the thematic map. So from this we can say that the main objective of the image classification system is to make a thematic map. So here it is a thematic map of the agricultural land. So let's come for the spectral signature, which is very important, very important. So this is the most important parameters in multispectral classification, and that is what I have defined earlier as the spectral envelope. The spectral signatures is the spectral envelope basically, which have some higher and the lower value, and within this value range we can get the information class. So this spectral signature can be of two types, like parametric and the non-parametric. A parametric signature are based on statistical parameters of pixel within a training sample, and non-parametric signature are based on the discrete objects in a feature space. And lastly, the pattern recognition. What is that? Pattern recognition is a computer-based methodology deployed to identify the features from satellite imagery using the spectral, spatial, and temporal dimension of an image. And it is very important to say that from the patterns of the features, that can be spectral, that can be spatial, that can be temporal. From these three types of pattern, we can identify the objects, or we can identify the nature of the objects so clearly from the satellite data set. The spectral pattern recognition is the identification of the features from satellite image using the image band spectra. The spatial pattern recognition is about the image pixel within individual group. It considers pixel texture, proximity, shape, size, arrangements, etc. And lastly, the temporal pattern recognition is related to the time as the basis of the feature identification from the satellite image. So now, after getting this the idea about those parameters used for classification, it is very needed to identify the features within the satellite data, on the basis of which a user can classify the objects to make a theme. And firstly, the visual interpretation elements should be of so importance. So here we can identify the image features using such kind of the interpretation elements like tone, texture, color, association, shape, shadow, proximity, patterns, etc. So using these kinds of the elements which you have studied in your undergraduates, so these are the very important to identify the features from the satellite imageries, and on the basis of these features we can classify the objects digitally from the satellite images.